In 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. Is Bitcoin Cash an especially wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Will BCH costs by and large outperform its unequaled for the most part high in an unpretentious manner? These certainly are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the BCH cost is supposed to in a real sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of $549.46, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the truly current year ought to explicitly be $534.17, or so they generally thought. Besides, BCH can arrive at a truly greatest value level of $599.18, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Bitcoin Cash could stretch around $412.72. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in Walk 2024 sort of is $366.86 with a kind of typical cost of $401.25, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost generally is gauged to in every way that really matters, arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $398.20, which basically is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could by and large arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $432.78 with a very normal expected cost around $417.30, which explicitly shows that Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost especially is supposed to basically cross a really normal value level of $549.46. The normal least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to sort of be $534.17, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation May 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $414.54 and $449.47 in an unpretentious manner, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $429.82 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost especially is supposed to cross an in every way that really matters normal value level of $549.46, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the in every way that really matters current year ought to in a real sense be $534.17 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash really is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a fundamentally least of $431.73, which sort of is very huge. Bitcoin Cash cost can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $466.66 with all things considered, normal cost of $447.01 in USD, which especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost especially is figured to by and large arrive at a most minimal cost of $449.61, which explicitly is very huge. The BCH cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $484.55 with a truly normal expected cost around $464.90 in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin Cash value gauge August 2024 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH could generally go to $478.84 toward the finish of August 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. BCH could explicitly be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $507.79 with a base expected cost of $459.74, which in a real sense shows that assuming that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Bitcoin Cash cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash explicitly be worth in 2024, or so they thought. Bitcoin Cash value expectation September 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost generally is supposed to generally reach between $478.89 to $526.94 in September 2024, while the truly normal cost of BCH for the September most certainly remains around $498 as in Bitcoin Cash BCH value forecast October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost essentially is conjectured to arrive at a particularly the least cost of $493.83, exhibiting that Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation May 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $414.54 and $449.47 incredibly. The BCH cost could basically arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $546.86 with a by and large normal expected cost around $512.94, which fundamentally is very critical. Bitcoin Cash value expectation November 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost generally is supposed to reach between $5 and $18.17 to $572.51 in November 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of BCH for the November explicitly remains around $533.45. Bitcoin Cash value gauge December 2024. The kind of normal cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH could commonly go to $549.46 toward the finish of December 2024. BCH could especially be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $599.18 with the kind of least expected cost of $534.17, demonstrating the way that BCH could sort of exchange around a very greatest worth of $507.79 with the base expected cost of $459.74, which basically shows that assuming you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash for the most part be especially worth in 2024 in a sort of significant manner? Bitcoin Cash commonly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost really has shown a decent increment of 196% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash especially is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, showing how starting around 21 walk 2024 Bitcoin Cash sort of is exchanging at $416.4 in term of its US rate with the value change of 0.3% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. The BCH for the most part is down to nearly 4.8% in the truly most recent 7 days in a fundamentally significant manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for extremely past kind of couple of days. The coin could by and large have in every practical sense solid essentials, yet we don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in most certainly momentary in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin Cash value gauge 2024 facts. What will be Bitcoin Cash commonly worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. The BCH cost really is estimated to fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest degree of $599.18 with, for the most part, least cost of $534.17 toward the finish of 2024, showing how the BCH explicitly is down to nearly 4.8% in the very most recent 7 days, which sort of is very critical. Does Bitcoin